Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So what I'm going to show you how to do today really quick is how to change the fuse on your Sportster here. It's super easy on this bike. All you have to do is come down to this side. We're going to come down here, and if you look, there's a little panel here that kind of hides your battery. So we're going to pop this off. There we go, just like that. And right here, handily, is your fuse. So all you have to do is pinch that apart like that on both sides, just like this. Open it up, and here's your fuse. And there's always a spare fuse down the bottom. So you just pop that fuse out of there, pop it in here, and there you go. You got a brand new fuse already in there for you. We always keep a spare. So there you go, and that's how you do that. And then you just put your cover back on, just pop, pop, and that's it, guys. That is how you change the fuse on a Sportster.